Breaking news from Anthropic today. This morning, Anthropic tested removing Claude Code from its $20 Pro subscription tier, and the developer internet reacted immediately. Here's what happened, what it means, and what comes next. First, Anthropic. Anthropic quietly tests removing Claude Code from its $20 Pro plan. We're tracking a story out of Anthropic that broke this morning and has already been reversed, which actually makes it more interesting, not less. Sometime yesterday afternoon, Anthropic updated its pricing pages to remove Claude Code from the $20 Pro tier. No email, no announcement, no changelog entry. Developers checking the site today found Claude Code listed exclusively as a max benefit at $100 a month. Anthropic's head of growth said this was a test affecting 2% of new prosumer signups, but the page changes were global, not scoped. Anyone visiting the site saw Claude Code removed from Pro. The reversal happened within hours, but it doesn't resolve the question this episode raised. The economics of this move are the real story. Anthropic's internal data shows that heavy Claude Code users running real agentic coding workflows can cost the company $60 to $150 a month to serve on a $20 subscription. That is not a rounding error. That is a business model under structural pressure. What today tells us is that Anthropic has already internally decided Claude Code cannot stay in the $20 tier indefinitely. They were testing market reaction to the framing, not the decision itself. The reversal was a communication choice, not a strategy reversal. And the developer community's reaction, immediate backlash, fresh interest in local models, was exactly the signal Anthropic was trying to calibrate. What comes next is fairly legible. Anthropic will not try a sudden removal again. That lesson was learned today. Instead, watch for a graduated approach. Usage caps on Claude Code within the Pro tier, with messaging that heavy users should upgrade to Max. The timing is probably Q2. The more interesting competitive question is what this does to Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and Windsurf, all priced at or below $20 a month, and watching Claude Code's developer adoption closely. A $100 floor changes the competitive math significantly. For any developer currently using Claude Code as their primary tool on the Pro plan, today is the moment to evaluate whether Max is worth it, or whether you start testing alternatives. We'll continue tracking this story as it develops. If Anthropic makes a formal pricing announcement in the coming days, we'll be back with an update. Follow under the prompt for breaking AI news as it happens.